Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see advantages of nuclear and joint families. Nuclear and joint families each have their own advantages. In a nuclear family, which consists of parents and their children, there is often more privacy and independence. It allows parents to focus on their children's needs more closely and make decisions quickly. Without needing to consult many people, this can lead to more flexible and modern lifestyle. On the other hand, joint families include extended family members. Like grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins living together. This setup offers strong support as there are more people to share responsibilities. And help each other. Children in joint families benefit from the wisdom and experience of their elders and have more companionship and social interaction. Financial burdens can also be lighter because costs are shared among more earning members. Both family structures provide unique benefits, and the best choice depends on what suits the family's needs and preferences. Thank you for watching.